Now, you are going to learn 20 body movement verbs with meaning and example. 1. Bend, bend, bend. Meaning: to move your body, or part of your body, so that it is not straight. Example: Mr. Smith bent down to pick up the newspaper. Two. Carry, carry, carry. Meaning: to hold something or someone with your hands, arms, or on your back, and transport it, him or her, from one place to another. Example: Lily is carrying a basket of apple. Three. Lift, lift, lift. Meaning: to move something from a lower to a higher position. Example: Tom does weightlifting. 4. Hold, hold, hold. Meaning: to take and keep something in your hand or arms. Example: Susan holds an egg. 5. Sit, sit, sit. Meaning: to be in a position in which the lower part of the body is resting on a seat or other type of support, with the upper part of the body vertical. Example: the pirate boss sits on a chair. 6. Punch, punch, punch. Meaning: a forceful hit with a fist. Example: don't mess around, or I'll punch you. 7. Leap, leap, leap. Meaning: jump high in the air, or jump a long distance. Example: Mary leaps on the floor while she practices gymnastics. Eight. Jump, jump, jump. Meaning: to push yourself suddenly off the ground and into the air using your legs. Example: Nina is jumping up and down with excitement. Nine. Dive, dive, dive. Meaning: to jump into water, especially with your head and arms going in first, or to move down under the water. Example: Mark dove off the bridge into the river. 10. Push, push, push. Meaning: to use physical pressure or force, especially with your hands, in order to move something into a different position. Example: Mrs. Smith pushed her shopping cart. "11. Pull, pull, pull." Meaning: to move something towards yourself, sometimes with great physical effort. Example: Lily pulled her toy car happily. 12. Run, run, run. Meaning: to move along faster than walking by taking quick steps, in which each foot is lifted before the next foot touches the ground. Example: Bob runs fast during the race. 13. Walk, walk, walk. Meaning: to move along by putting one foot in front of the other, allowing each foot to touch the ground before lifting the next. Example: Mike walked casually to school. 14. Throw, throw, throw. Meaning: to send something through the air with force, especially by a sudden movement of the arm. Example: my friend Bim threw an apple back over the fence. 15. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Meaning: on your toes, with the heel of your foot lifted off the ground. Example: the man stood on tiptoe in order to pick the apples from the tree. 16. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Meaning: To touch with your lips, especially as a greeting, or to press your mouth onto another person's mouth in a sexual way. Example: Tom was very surprised when Susan kissed him suddenly. "17. Hit, hit, hit." Meaning: to move your hand or an object onto the surface of something so that it touches it, usually with force. Example: John hit the tennis ball hard. "18. Catch, catch, catch." Meaning: to take hold of something, especially something that is moving through the air. Example: Bob ran and caught the ball quickly. "19. Kick, kick, kick." Meaning: to hit someone or something with the foot, or to move the feet and legs suddenly and violently. Example: I kicked the ball as hard as I could. "20. Swing, swing, swing." Meaning: to move an object or your fist in an attempt to hit something or someone. Example: Mr. Jude swung the stick to hit the ball, but he missed. Thank you for watching, and catch up with you later.